Hi boys and girls, so today we're going to be doing a color by number, and it's a Halloween kind. So what we need to do is we need to go through and solve some of our problems, and then we will color them based on the answer. So let's start right here with 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is a lot like doubles, but it's doubles plus 1. So if 3 plus 3 is 6, then 4 plus 3 is 7. So let's do 5 plus 2. Catch 5, count up 2. Try it. 5, it's also 7. 6 plus 1, we know that that's just the next number, so that one's 7. And 7 plus 0 is 7. Very good. Look at all of those 7s. All right. On the next row, 8 plus 1. We know that that answer is 9 because it's the next number. 5 plus 3. Let's catch 5. Count up 3. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. Let's do 4 plus 5. That's near doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8. One more is 9. And the last one on this row is a doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, let's do this one where the little bat has his hat. 8 and 2. What are 8 and 2? They are 10 friends. Same with 1 and 9. They are 10 friends. And I noticed that 3 and 7 are 10 friends. And so are 8 and 2 are also 10 friends. 6 and 4 are 10 friends, and 5 and 5 are 10 friends. Okay, let's go over here. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 2. Catch 4, count up 2. Ready? 4, 6. 4 plus 1. The next number would be 5. And 3 plus 2, that's near doubles. That's also 5. 6 plus 2. Let's catch 6. Count up 2. Ready? 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1. We go to the next number. That's 9. 1 plus 7. We go to the next number. That's 8. And 7 plus 2, let's catch 7, count 2, ready? 7, 8, 9. 0 plus 9, 9. 1 plus 3, 4. This is 4. 2 plus 2, that's doubles. We know that's 4. And 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 3, let's catch 6, count up 3, ready? 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 3, that's just the next number, which is 4. And 2 plus 2, that's doubles, 4. Look at all these math problems you're doing. You did a really good job. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 0, of course, is 3. 2 plus 1 we just did was 3. Again, it's 3. That's silly. 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 plus 2, 9. We have 2 more. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 4 plus 5 is 9. Now we look at the top, and the first one is brown. So we're going to color everything with a 10 brown. So all of the problems that had an answer of 10 are going to be brown. Okay, so like this bat is brown and his wings are brown. Do we see any more 10s? Okay, so next one is all of the 6s are going to be yellow. So look and see where you can find 6s and color them yellow. And it's probably going to be a little bit faster for me to color because I use my pen than it is with your crayons. So if you need to press pause, that's okay. Okay, my next color is pink. And it is all of the 9s. So all of the 9 spaces are going to be pink. So we're just going to color all of these pink. All of the 9s. Wow, there's a lot of 9s. Okay, the next one is 5, and those are white, so we can leave those blank, but then this one says purple for 8, so let's find all of the 8s and color them purple. Okay, just like this. Okay, a couple more 8s. All right. Oh, I missed one up here. All right. What's our next one? Number 4s are black. My black looks a little gray sometimes, but we'll go with that. So we're coloring all of these 4s. We're coloring black. And remember, push pause if you need any extra time, because sometimes I go a little bit fast, so I don't mean to. And then all of our 7s are orange. So there's orange all across here. Remember when we did all of those math problems and they were orange? That was kind of silly, huh? It was like 7, 7, 7, 7. And the last one is blue for 3. And when we're done, we have this really cool Halloween picture. Okay. All right, boys and girls, you can decide if you want to take this home. You can put this in your backpack, or if you want to turn it into teacher, you can turn it into the box. Good job.